Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Wait! Huwag mo munang kukulayan. Kasi mapupunta yan sa spam, katulad nila.
Oh no!
O diba? Sayang ang effort nyo. Anyway, welcome back. Gagawa tayo today ng ice cream. Ito ay Angel Creme Densada. Okay? Isang puno lang ito. Kaya nakalimutan ko yung condensed milk. Naalala mo? Dahil summer ngayon, kailangan natin ng something na malamig. Just a gentle reminder. Okay. Just a gentle reminder. Dapat malamig yung creme densada nyo. Okay, now all we have to do is to mix this well using our hand mixer. Now, just a gentle reminder, you have to do this for at least 5 minutes. You have to thicken the cream. And as you can see, this is our province. I'm currently in Infanta Quezon. So Infanta Quezon is where I live. This is where I grew up. Again, we are making an ice cream. It's summer. Kaya anong oras na? Time check. It's currently 10:05 a.m. Anong araw ngayon? Thursday, June 2nd, June 3rd. Today is June 4 of 2020. Ay, ang init. Now we have to add additional ingredients. So I want to add condensada. This is Alaska condensada. Just to make it sweeter. And then shake it again. And then the additional ingredients. I'm sorry if my tools are not meant for baking. I left them in Manila because they're heavy. After adding my cream O, this is cream O, let's just use the spoon to mix them. And we're done. All we have to do is to put this inside the refrigerator. Okay? That's all. Thank you so much for watching.